Victoria will have to lock down again for 7 days. Further period of 7 days. There will be a curfew from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m.
I don't know about you guys, but I'm definitely sick and tired of hearing about all of these press conferences. If you're single, frustrated, and stuck at home like most people, then here are 3 simple ways to find love during a lockdown. At number 1 is dating apps. Yes, while most single people are at home, we don't have our Friday and Saturday night luxury to go out to your local bars and pubs. So where do you think most single people are right now? They're on dating apps such as Bumble, Hinge, and Tinder. If you haven't tried these out before, I'd highly recommend to jump onto it, set up a nice neat profile, put on some compelling photos, and do a boost during a peak hour of 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. You'll be surprised on the type of people you'll match with. And at number 2, we have daily walks. Whether you're working from home or at the office still, going for a daily walk during a lunch break or after work between 5 and 7 p.m. is an optimal time, because I can almost guarantee you at your local park, there would be an attractive guy or an attractive woman walking their dog or even doing exercises, and there's nothing wrong with going up to them and saying hi. Most people right now are craving that human attention and interaction, especially if they've been stuck at home like yourself. So go and say hi, as long as you abide by your local state laws of the 1.5 social distance meters, or wearing that mandatory mask if it is in that case of your state. And lucky last, number 3, social media. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram. If you haven't spoken to a person that you once had a crush on and you wanted to reach out to them, go and reach out to them. I can almost guarantee you, again, most people are craving human interaction, so there's a very high chance they'll message you almost instantly because they're stuck at home. We don't have these distractions like what we usually would have outside of a lockdown. So go and message them, reconnect on social media. So these are my 3 tips of finding love during a lockdown. My name's Andrew Gung from Core Confidence Coaching here in Australia. We are your social, dating, and relationship coaching company.